In this video, we're going to talk about 1.2 Objective 3, where we determine the level of measurement for data shown in a graph. So let's go ahead and take a look here. The graph to the right shows the average annual income in thousands for certain years. Identify the level of measurement of the data listed on the horizontal and vertical axis on the graph. So the level of measurement of data listed on the horizontal axis on the graph, which those are years, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, and 2004, are best described as interval. And because it's most meaningful to look at differences between them to tell the span of time that has passed, that a width of 1 for bar A and a width of 1 for bar B represent the same amount of time. That's why that's interval. And identify the level of measurement of the data listed on the vertical axis, which is the annual income. And we could say that that's a ratio that has a true zero. Zero income is meaningful, and it's meaningful to talk about somebody makes twice as much money on average or half as much money on average, and so on. All right. The graph to the right shows the average annual income in tens of thousands for certain years. Identify the level of measurement of the data listed on the horizontal and vertical axis. Same thing again, different graph, but same answers, that we're going to be in interval for the years, and we're going to be in ratio for the annual income. Let's look at number 3. The graph to the right shows the responses to the question, will we win the championship? Identify the level of measurement of the data listed on the horizontal and vertical axis in the figure. So we have very likely is A, somewhat likely is B, somewhat unlikely is C, very unlikely is D, and E is unsure. So we would likely call that ordinal, because we could likely put that on a scale from like 0 to 5, something like that, and put a level of certainty there. We'd probably put it's unusual to consider unsure as part of ordinal, but it is something that can be sorted and ranked like that, and how certain somebody is. So let's go ahead and look at these percents here, and percents are definitely have a true 0% is meaningful, and it is possible to have a ratio be meaningful where something is twice as likely if we divide them and get a ratio of 2, or half as many people responded that way. If we take the ratio and it's 1/2, that's meaningful. Okay, there we go. So that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 1.3 Objective 1. We'll see you for the next video.